y'all, Randy here, coming to you on this lovely spring day from Akron, Ohio. Just wanted to do a quick intro on Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Now your Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 will come with pre-collision system. It's going to have your lane departure alert, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, lane trace assist, and road sign assist. These are all some pretty cool features, and I highly recommend test driving a new Toyota and getting some more information for the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Any questions, email me, randychambers@yahoo.com. I'll be happy to answer any questions or explain the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 in further details. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.